Hello everyone, this is Umesh here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Umesh Samar. I am from Odisha. Currently, I live in Noida. I work as a software engineer at Tech Mahindra. About my education, I have completed my MCA. As you know, I run this YouTube channel to help people improve their English speaking skills. Today, I am starting something special. I am starting a 21-day English speaking challenge. In this challenge, I will upload one short video every day for just 2 or 3 minutes. The goal of this challenge is to help you improve your English speaking confidence. Many people understand English, but they feel shy or scared to speak. Don't worry, it happens with many people. The way, the only way to improve speaking in practice every day so far the next 21 days. We will practice together. Every day, every day I will share a short video, simple sentence, easy speaking practice. You just need to do one thing, watch the video and speak with me for 2 minutes daily. After 21 days, you will feel more confident speaking English. So, if you want to improve your English, join this channel challenge with me. Write in the comment section, I accept the 21-day challenge. Let's start the journey today together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.